Hello guys. Let me turn my music down. Let me actually check y'all in as I walk upstairs because I don't got time. Can I hold everything? Should I keep this in here? Yeah, I'll keep that in here. Oh shit. Oh, that scared me. Ooh, that scared me, child. Y'all, so I just came from this little tiny ass gym that they got at my complex. And I hate that apartment complexes do that. Like, how are you gonna be a relatively big complex and your gym is the size of 1 bedroom? Y'all can at least afford, with the price of rent, they could at least afford a small gym like that. Maybe not at each building, but like assign 1 to 2 whole buildings or something, because I'm tired of having to come late to try to avoid people, and then people want to come in there late. The issue isn't people. I was just thinking about getting the O2 Fitness membership that they have with this pimple. But hey y'all, welcome back to New Chill with Joe. Yeah, because this girl had brought her baby the last time, right? Now she done come in, brought her and the baby coming in screaming, crying. I'm sitting there in the middle of a set like, that was a little bit. Hey y'all. Who she gonna leave it with, I guess? So she gotta bring him, but I'm just like, damn, it's 10:30. Take the baby to bed. That's why he crying. Hey y'all, so I know my hair looking a little crazy. Look at my little braid, my little braid. You guys that are watching this and like videos and stuff like that, people who comment on my content and support my content, I'll really try to interact on there as well, because even though I'm on social media, I don't be on social media, if that makes sense. Now don't get me wrong, I do be mindlessly scrolling sometimes, but I have significantly cut down on scroll time because it doesn't make me feel good. Like, I'll be scrolling for 1 or 2 hours and then after I'm just like drained, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm just sitting there scrolling, listening to the same things pop up on TikTok. Do you know that, like, just listen. Generation of influencers that blow up on this app. So I decided to get this juicer from the TikTok shop. I'm taking out the TikTok shop a long time ago. Because everything you and my boyfriend did for our 1-year anniversary. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, it gets to a point even with scrolling, it's tiring. It is draining of your energy. And I don't mean it in a hoodoo kind of way. It's depleting. It really makes you feel tired because all the things that you're consuming, 9 times out of 10, like, yeah, the algorithm fits it to you and your interests, or what you like, what you show interest in, what you search. The algorithm fits it all to that, yes, but nonetheless, it's like every single post is something that you need to be doing, should have been doing, or need to start doing. For me, y'all, it just is very easy to compare. I've had to cut down. For one, I've had to restructure my medias, a lot of my social medias. Like, I've been deleted Twitter. I just developed like a shield to that kind of stuff. I still find myself comparing here and there, but when I feel that it starts to affect my mood, I just get off social media and do something else. I do something else to distract myself, and that has been really, really healthy for me. I've been able to grow back my relationship with social media to a healthy place, and that's when I started posting back more. I don't know, that's just where I am with that. Get what I'm saying, or what I'm trying to say. I don't want to take too long because I gotta get going with this list. I gotta get this stuff going. Seeming like you have a lot of time, and then next thing you know, it's like 3 o'clock. So okay, so we'll get coconut milk from Whole Foods. Then I gotta go to, I don't know what it is, but every time I go on a trip, literally, I kid you not, every single time I go on a trip, I have to go to Sephora and Ulta. Like, I don't know what it is. I know there has to be a medical term for it, because it just be something inside of me that's just like, you need some Sephora products. There's gonna be something that you need to get before this trip. I don't know. I sure did have an Ulta and Sephora order, but my Sephora order, I did kind of go a little crazy, but my Ulta order, I only just got 1 thing, because Ulta be pissing me off sometimes. I have 2 orders on Sephora, so 1 for pickup and then 1 to ship. So that's not getting here till after the trip, but I'm cool with that. Yeah, so after Sephora, I need to go and clean my car. Let me just show you guys really quick what I got from Target. That was my whole reason for tuning y'all in. I don't think I'm gonna show like me cleaning and everything, because I've already showed y'all a little bit of how I deep clean. because Boo didn't shed at first, and maybe it was because he was younger, but now he shed way too damn much. Like, I do not like, and that was my whole reasoning for not wanting to even get a cat, was because of how much they shed. And when he didn't shed, I was like, yes. But I don't know, maybe it's just prone to happening as they get older. So that's why I try to keep like that thing on me, and by that thing I do mean his undercoat brush. Some laundry detergent. I wanted to get, you know, a nice natural kind. That one is really good. I got this travel size set of Frenchie. It's like mood science scent technology, which I don't really know what that means. Spritz on for an instant boost. Our products use mood science scent technology, connecting the power of scent and wellness. Ooh, see, like they be having something going on. And I really just got this because travel size. They have the Soothe and Comfort Cashmere Vanilla. I am excited to try that one. I think that was gonna smell so good, because my CBD candle over there is Cashmere Vanilla, which I do need to get like about 2 or 3 more, because it smells so good. Let me show y'all. Did y'all get a good view? Did y'all get a good look? So cute. Well, I hope it smells good. Ah, it's nice. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Awaken and uplift. Oh, and I'm about to have my tea. Oh, that smells so good. Dang, that's strong. I'm gonna let y'all know how long it lasts too. And I only did 2 spritz. Ideally, I would spritz this all over my body when I get out of the shower. Like after I finish my body care routine, like with lotions and all that kind of stuff, I would spray this on all over my body. And I got the Miel Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. It's biotin. I love this stuff. Plackers has to be this twin line, okay? The only kind I like to use. Baby wash and shampoo for my downstairs area. I wanted to switch and try this one. My OBGYN actually suggested something like this or the Cetaphil one that I've told y'all before, like in my shower routines and stuff. So I wanted to pick that up. It's Calming Stress Ease Pure Essential Oil to go in my laundry. I have like those wool balls that you put in the dryer, and you add some essential oils to those balls, and then that's how it gives some scent to your clothes. I want to use those instead of dryer sheets.
Let me tell y'all something. Do not underestimate, okay, the power of a woman when she gets into the gym and her focus is on point. But basically, y'all, I just came back from the gym. Wonderful workout. I finished all of the exercises that I listed out, which was the goal of mine. So I'm super happy about that. It was 6 exercises, but I did like some additional things within those exercises that I didn't get done earlier in the week. So I'm feeling good. I'm feeling ready for my little vacation. Y'all, I picked up my Amazon orders. I really do have to go. Like, I'm gonna have to go soon, so I'm kind of rushing. But first, I wanted to show you guys what I got from Amazon. See if anything is like not how I want, so I can go ahead and return it when I go to Whole Foods. That I got super cute beach mat. Keep watching the vlog to see how that looks. Like a little L-shaped tripod lens so that I could turn this camera like vertically, so I can film like TikTok videos and stuff easier. I usually just use the grid on here and try to angle things like in the middle where I know I'm gonna be cropping it, but this works better. I already know I got my little dull knife. It can still do a little damage to somebody. Don't try me, okay? So I definitely cut the bag it came with. Oh, that's so cute. It came with a crochet needle and the little thingy bobs. Cute. I'm not gonna put those in, but it's cute. I got 6 packs of this lock hair. Oh, that's gonna look cute. Is it gonna look cute? Yeah, it's gonna look cute. You wanna know why? Cause I'm cute. Got Boo's usual. I got his usual. He's getting so excited. His wet food. I got his wet food finally. Because they were taking so long bringing his dry food. Like they lost it. Or I just didn't get the notification, but it said it was delivered, but I didn't get the notification from like our little mail pickup area, they'll usually send me a code, and I would go in there and it wasn't anywhere outside. So I'm like, did they put a pin in to alert me? Like, where is my bag of food? But it came. So I have his dry food. I needed to get his wet food, so I got that. So I got this to take off my lashes. So I wanted to just unbox that with y'all. I'm gonna hop in the shower and we'll check back in. I was not even recording. And it was so cute. That would have been such cute footage. But hey y'all, so I fed Boo. He's over there munching for the morning. That is literally the first thing on my to-do list. In the morning times, that's like the first thing that I have to get done. If you can't tell, I'm tired. I am tired. I don't know what bone it is in my body. I think just because I haven't been going on a lot of vacations for the sake of saving money and really trying to hone in on my finances. It's been a minute, you know? So anytime I hear like a chance to just go somewhere and relax for a little bit of time. So like this family beach trip, it just takes me to 10, and I'm like, well, it means it's time. I should do a protective style. I should get my Ulta and Sephora pickups. Like, I need to do everything that I would usually do if I was going on a trip. Not that this isn't a trip. Y'all know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. You know, I'm not mad at it though. Like, I'm not really doing too much. A lot of things, like maintenance wise, I'm doing myself. And I was gonna get like my vajacial and any like stuff like that I get monthly anyways. So ain't no real difference with that. And this protective style, I've been meaning to do a protective style for quite a while. I'm actually excited to see how these turn out. The first thing on my to-do list, I'm gonna knock that out, try to get as many as I can, if not my whole head done. So y'all know I want some tea. It's been drying overnight.
But let me know if I'm out of order for something to you this way. See, I've been watching you for a while, and I just gotta let you know that I'm really feeling your style. Cause I had to know your name and leave you with my number, and I hope that you would call me someday. If you want, you can give me yours too. And if you don't, well, I ain't mad at you. We can still be cool.
Hey, Jaja.
Since you didn't wanna give me your man, I thought that you were digging me and wasn't digging me. But anyway, what you doing tonight? I'll probably be with my peeps. If it's cool with you, maybe we'll swing by. You can just chill, or you can just chill with me. Long as you're comfortable and you feel secure when you're with me, 'cause